ದಾದಣ್ಣವ ಅಮೆಂತಿ ಬೆಫ್ನ ಹಮೆಯ ವಾಗೊ ಮಿಗೆನಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಗ ದತುರ್ಗೆ ಫರ್ವಾಯ ಗುಳೆಗೊ ತೊಮ್ಮಿ ಬಾವ ಫುರತಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೀನಿತುಂ ಅದಾಸ್ ಫನ್ಸವೀಸ್ ಫೆಶುಮ್ಗೆ ರಸ್ಮಿಯಾತ್
من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجن من مارج من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان صدق الله العظيم.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Distinguished guests, esteemed speakers, respected colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Welcome to the official inauguration of the first ever International Dental Conference of the Maldives, Hinitung, initiated by the Department of Dentistry and Orofacial Surgery of Dharmamata Hospital. We are especially grateful to have with us our honorable guest, Her Excellency, Madam Sajida Muhammad, First Lady of the Republic of Maldives. Our heartfelt thanks to Ms. Aishat Musla for the beautiful recitation of the Holy Quran that so gracefully opened this event. I'm Muhammad Fahim Ibrahim, and I will be your host for this morning. We are deeply honored to welcome an outstanding panel of international speakers for today's conference, each a distinguished expert in their respective fields. It is my pleasure to introduce them to you. Professor S.M. Balaji. Professor V. Gopi Krishna. Professor Shaili Pradhan. Professor Puneet Batra. Professor Niladri Maiti, Professor Vivek Hegde, Professor Harpreet Singh, Dr. Shail Jaggi, Professor Rohaida Abdul Halim, Dr. Muhammad Shifan, Dr. Sanjay Kumar Sah, Dr. Anshul Mel, Dr. Padmaksha Laskar, and Miss Sonia Pfeiffer. Now, I would like to invite the head of the Department of Dentistry and Orofacial Surgery, consultant in orthodontics, Dr. Nadima Rashid, to deliver the opening remarks. Doctor, please join us on stage.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Her Excellency, Madam Sajida Mohammed, First Lady of Republic of Maldives, Honorable Minister of Health, Mr. Abdullah Nazim Ibrahim, Director General of Health Services, Dr. Ahmad Ashraf, DCO of Dharmavanta Hospital, Dr. Shah Abdullah Mahir, DCO of Vilimale Hospital, Mr. Mohammad Mabruk, Medical Director of IGMH, Dr. Amnat Zeba, Senior Management of IGMH, esteemed speakers, delegates, colleagues, and participants. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. It is with great pride and sincere honor that I welcome you to Hinitun 2025, the first International Dental Conference of the Maldives, held as part of the Golden Jubilee celebrations of dental services in our country. Today marks a meaningful milestone. For 50 years, dentistry in the Maldives has steadily evolved, shaped by the dedication of professionals who believed in the power of service, science, and human connection. Hinitun 2025 is our way of honoring that journey and of building a shared vision for the decades to come. The word Hinitung, meaning smile, represents more than the outcome of treatment. It symbolizes dignity, well-being, and hope. Through this conference, we affirm our commitment to those values, not only by what we celebrate today, but by what we set in motion for the future. Your Excellency, your gracious presence today elevates this moment and affirms that oral health is a national priority. It reflects an understanding that the health of our people, including their smiles, plays a vital role in education, confidence, productivity, and community life. We are deeply honored by your support. Hinitun 2025 is more than a gathering. It is a platform for progress where we aim to develop clinical skills through hands-on workshops and expert-led sessions to promote academic and professional growth, particularly for early career practitioners, to foster collaboration, mentorship, and inter-island connectivity, and to establish a sustainable tradition of continuing dental education in the Maldives. This is the beginning of something lasting, a foundation for regular dialogue, opening ongoing partnerships, and shared professional identity. As we look ahead, it is clear that sustainability in oral healthcare lies in strengthening both academic excellence and clinical systems. A future-ready dental sector must integrate education, service, and research, growing together with aligned goals and investments. Skill building and innovation are central to Hinitun 2025. This conference is not just about listening. It's about applying, testing, adapting, whether in prosthodontics, digital workflows, or community-based care. The learning shared here is meant to transform how we work and how we serve. As an island nation, we understand the importance of connection. Our goal is to strengthen professional ties between atolls, specialties, and institutions so that no practitioner feels isolated and no community is left behind. A strong workforce is a connected one. We envision a system where oral health is fully integrated into broader public health strategies aligned with national goals on non-communicable diseases, education, and wellness. A system where prevention is prioritized, access is expanded, and quality is consistent across every region of the country. Let Hinitun 2025 be the beginning of a culture where learning never stops, where knowledge is passed from mentor to mentee, and new leaders emerge, confident, compassionate, and well prepared to shape the future. Let this be the first of many conferences to come. Your Excellency, dignitaries, distinguished colleagues, and guests, as we consider Hinitun 2025 open officially and step into this exciting new chapter, let us do so with optimism, responsibility, and unity. Together, let us build a future in which every citizen, no matter where they live, can access the highest standards of oral health care. Let us commit to growing not just professionally, but collectively in purpose and in service. May Hinitun 2025 be remembered not only as our first international conference, but as the moment we set the direction for the next 50 years with confidence, compassion, and conviction. Thank you and welcome to Hinitun 2025. Wassalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Dr. Nadima. Next, I am pleased to invite the CEO of Mali City Group of Hospitals, Mr. Ibrahim Abdul Razzaq Halim, to deliver a few words for this conference.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salam ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Her Excellency Madam Sajida Mohammed, First Lady of the Republic of Maldives, international speakers, Minister of Health, Honorable Abdul Nazim Ibrahim, doctors, nurses, healthcare professionals, management of Mali City Group of Hospitals, distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to welcome each of you to the first ever National Dental Conference held in the Maldives. This landmark event is part of a series of activities organized to commemorate 50 years of dental service in the Maldives, a golden jubilee that marks half a century of service, innovation, and compassionate care in the field of dentistry. The theme of this conference, Changing Smiles, Transforming Lives, is both profound and fitting. While public perception often associates dentistry with aesthetics and the improvement of smiles, the true essence of dental care runs much deeper. Oral health is fundamental to human well-being. It is said that a toothache is among the most agonizing types of pain, and any science that can alleviate such suffering while addressing the root cause is undeniably transformative. A confident smile is beautiful, yes, but a pain-free life is priceless. As we mark this Golden Jubilee, I can think of no better way to celebrate than through an academic gathering such as this. A conference like today's is not merely a celebration. It is a convergence of minds, an opportunity to share research, experience, and best practices that ultimately benefit our patients and uplift our communities. One of the commendable features of this conference is its holistic and interdisciplinary approach with participation from experts across multiple specialties. This reflects the integrated team-based model of care that we aspire to institutionalize within the Mala City Group of Hospitals. We firmly believe that collaboration between medical and dental professionals is essential to improving patient outcomes, and we are committed to strengthening this synergy at the clinical level. I take this opportunity to express our sincere appreciation to His Excellency, President of the Republic of Maldives, Dr. Mohammad Muiz, for his visionary leadership in strengthening the healthcare sector and for placing renewed emphasis on the development of dental services. Under his guidance, we have seen significant progress in this specialized field. Over the past 1.5 years, the number of dental chairs and service units has expanded across our hospitals. Moreover, the approval of major human resource posts dedicated to dentistry underlies the government's strong commitment to oral health care. We are also deeply grateful to the Minister of Health, Honorable Abdul Nazim Ibrahim, for his unwavering support and proactive facilitation. The collaboration and backing of the Ministry of Health and other relevant government institutions have been instrumental in enabling this historic conference and the broader advancement of dental services nationwide. Looking forward, we are actively formulating strategic plans under the Mala City Group of Hospitals to strengthen this area further through specialized dental units, capacity building, and improved access to care, ensuring that dentistry in the Maldives is positioned to meet the growing needs of our people in line with international standards. To our distinguished international guests, while your visit is primarily academic, I warmly encourage you to experience the beauty and tranquility of the Maldives. The gracious Maldivian hospitality and our crystal clear lagoons and white sandy beaches offer a unique opportunity to unwind and reflect beyond the conference halls. Before I conclude, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to our First Lady of the Republic of Maldives, Madam Sajida Mohammed, for honoring us with her presence today. Your participation not only adds grace to this occasion, but also reflects the importance of oral health in the broader agenda of the national wellness and development. I must also express our sincere gratitude to all our sponsors and partners whose generous support has made this event possible. Your contribution demonstrates your commitment to the growth of healthcare and your belief in the future of dental excellence in the Maldives. We are truly grateful for your collaboration. To our distinguished international guests, I hope your time in Maldives will be both academically fruitful and personally memorable. May you take time to experience our warm hospitality, vibrant culture, and the serene beauty of our islands. In closing, I extend my deepest appreciation to the organizing committee, our local and international speakers, the management and clinical teams of Mala City Group of Hospitals, and every individual who worked tirelessly to bring this inaugural dental conference to life. Let this be the first of many, a strong foundation for continued advancement, shared learning, and excellence in dental care for years to come. May this conference be productive, inspiring, and impactful for dentistry, for healthcare, and for the people of the Republic of Maldives. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you, CEO. It is now my great honor to invite Her Excellency, Madam Sajida Muhammad, to address us on this special occasion.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Minister of Health Abdullah Nazim Ibrahim, Chief Executive Officer of Male City Group of Hospitals, Mr. Ibrahim Abdul Razak Halim, Chairperson and Head of the Department of Dentistry and Orofacial Surgery at IGMH, Dr. Nadima Rashid, dental health pioneers and professionals, visiting international delegates, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very good morning to you all. It is great pleasure to be at this inauguration ceremony of Hinitun 2025, the first international dental conference being held in the Maldives. I wish to thank the Department of Dentistry and Orofacial Surgery for hosting this singular conference as we mark 5 decades of dental healthcare services in the Maldives. It is an opportunity to reflect on the tireless efforts and unwavering dedication of our dental healthcare professionals and the hardships they have overcome and the milestones they have reached as they built up dental healthcare services in the Maldives from scratch. I would like to take this opportunity to express my admiration and appreciation for Muhammad Salim, the late Ali Salim, and Abdullah Saeed for their pioneering role in government-provided dental surgery services. This was way back in 1975. From their humble beginnings opening the very first dental clinic in a Mali residence, we have come a long way. It is remarkable how far we have come on this journey from the dental clinic in Central Hospital being staffed by just 4 nurses, to the first Maldivian dentist returning to the country after dental surgery training in 1999, and well-rounded dental teams with ample local representation being established across the country today. The advanced and diversified dental care we enjoy today stemmed from a vision to bring the Maldives up to speed with developed parts of the world, a vision equally shared by all our pioneers. Today, preventative and therapeutic services, including orthodontic surgeries and periodontic care, are at our fingertips from multiple government hospitals and private practices. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we would not have achieved these strides without the generous assistance and expertise of the specialists from friendly nations. They continue to shape our healthcare landscape to this day, for which we are immensely grateful. As such, I am pleased to welcome all international delegates to the Maldives and to Hinitun 2025. It is an honor to host such a distinguished gathering of experts and visionaries, as your perspectives and experiences will undoubtedly enrich the discussion and outcomes of this conference. Your presence is symbolic of the shared dedication to collaboration, innovation, and progress across borders. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, regardless of the notable progress we have seen over the decades, there remain ample opportunities for continued improvement. It is with sadness that I highlight just how much dental health still goes neglected despite most oral health conditions being preventable and better treatable in the early stages. We must increase our general awareness of just how much our dental health is dependent on our dietary choices and our oral hygiene practices. This must be a continuous process that involves all segments of our societies, in our school workplaces, and through different platforms of media, including social media. These include limiting sugary and acidic food and drink and getting regular dental checkups. Our dental health affects our confidence, our social interactions, and therefore our mental health. Let us not ignore our dental health because our dental health is closely tied to our overall health and well-being. According to the World Health Organization, untreated tooth decay is the single most common condition globally, affecting an estimated 2.5 billion people. Severe gum diseases, a major cause of total tooth loss, is estimated to affect 1 billion people worldwide, while more than 370,000 new cases of oral cancers are diagnosed, of which more than 170,000 people die of these cancers every year. Considering these alarming statistics, it is vital to reimagine dental health models to better reflect and respond to the evolving needs of our populations. We must ramp up efforts to expand national health information systems through the systematic collection and integration of oral health data. This will enable policymakers and health professionals with the insights needed for evidence-based decision-making and therefore more effective monitoring of policies and practices to improve public oral health. Our dental health services must not only be affordable, but also of quality of its benefits to last long term. It is vital for us to all work together to increase accessibility to dental health care services, overcoming socioeconomic disparities in terms of location and costs. It is also imperative that the specialized equipment and techniques used in dentistry are well integrated with primary health care models. Such integration is crucial to improve accessibility to dental health care services and regular checkups. Technology and innovation must be further supported through coordinated research, education, and training and expertise exchange. For improving overall oral health to be truly effective, adopting a public health view in addressing common risk factors and embracing a holistic approach that incorporates these often overlooked preventative practices is essential. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as we open this conference today, let us reaffirm our collective commitment to improving oral health for all. Let us invest in training, in technology, in preventive care, but above all, let us invest in people, because at the heart of every successful health system is compassion, dedication, and service of humanity. I urge all participants of the conference to seize this opportunity to foster new collaborations and work towards shaping a future where quality dental care is not a privilege but a standard. In closing, I extend my warmest wishes for successful and impactful conference. May Hinithun 2025 be remembered not only as the first of its kind, but as the beginning of a stronger, healthier future for generations to come. Thank you all.
Thank you, First Lady, for your thoughtful and powerful remarks. Finally, I invite our consultant in conservative dentistry and endodontics, Dr. Mariam Ifa Abdul Ghafoor, to deliver the vote of thanks and closing remarks for this event.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hamd sana hakwe ke wani alam to gewel raskalang Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Salawat salam le bange dua korani miumut ke man nabiya Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Mi salawat ka ekale fan ke adna sabun shamil kora. Our distinguished chief guest, Her Excellency Madam Sajda Mohammed, First Lady of the Republic of Maldives, Minister of Health Honorable Abdullah Nazim Ibrahim, CEO of Mali City Group of Hospitals, Ibrahim Abdul Razak Halim, Management of Mali City Group of Hospitals, esteemed speakers, organizers, sponsors, and delegates. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and good morning. On behalf of Hinitun 2025 Organizing Committee, it is my profound privilege to express our heartfelt gratitude at this momentous inauguration. First, we are deeply honored by the presence of our chief guest, Her Excellency Madam Sajida Mohammed, First Lady of the Republic of Maldives. Your gracious participation in this ceremony sets an inspiring note for our conference. We thank you for your continued support for healthcare and professional excellence. Your unwavering support for such initiatives strengthens and encourages every professional in this room. We extend our gratitude to the senior management of Mali City Group of Hospitals with special recognition to our CEO for unwavering support and assistance whenever needed, ensuring the success of this event. Our esteemed speakers and panelists, your decision to join us reflects your dedication to advancing dental science. Your upcoming presentations will undoubtedly enlighten and empower our community. 50 years ago, three young visionaries, the late Mr. Ali Salim, Mr. Muhammad Salim, and Abdullah Said laid the foundation of dental surgery services in the Maldives. It is an honor to have Mr. Muhammad Salim in our midst today. Respected sir, your pioneering spirit, your early days of hard work bringing basic dental care to remote islands, and your relentless pursuit to excellence have inspired generation of dentists. In an era where science and technology are evolving faster than ever, it is essential that we, the healthcare providers, continuously update our knowledge, embrace new technologies, and remain committed to lifelong learning. Listening to our professors, experts, and researchers is no longer optional, it is vital. It is through their knowledge and guidance that we gain tools and insight to advance our skill and improve patient care. Dear delegates, your participation and enthusiasm today reflects this very mindset. It is going to be instrumental in the success of this conference and future for the dentistry in our country. You truly embody our theme, changing smiles and transforming lives. Our heartfelt gratitude goes to our sponsors and partners, Diamond sponsor, MedTech Maldives Private Limited, Platinum sponsors, Maldives, Gold sponsor, Biomax, Bronze sponsor, STO, and Associated sponsor, Medicina. I would like to thank our travel partners, MTCC, Willimale Hospital, Stelco, Maldives Police Services, whose generous contributions have elevated Hinitun 2025 to an exceptional level. The team, Villa Nautica, and logistics staffs have expertly handled the arrangements for the venue, resort accommodation, and speedboat transfers, assuring seamless coordination with our speakers and delegates can fully concentrate on the scientific session ahead. A thank you to the Event Hub for their exceptional creativity and design in the impressive backgrounds and banners, and for ensuring the visual splendor of this event. A warm salute to the Department of Dentistry and Orofacial Surgery at Dharmavanta Hospital, led by Dr. Nadima Rashid. Your leadership in marking 50 years of dental services with this inaugural International Dental Conference brings us together to celebrate significant strides we've made in oral health. To the dental officers of our department, your meticulous planning, late-night meetings, logistic coordination, and attention to every detail have made this conference possible. All this while doing your regular duties in the hospital. From drafting scientific abstracts to arranging cultural performances, you've showed excellent teamwork and spirit of never giving up. This gathering stands as a proof of your professionalism and hard work. Coordinating this huge event with the dedicated doctors was both an honor and an inspiration. As a special note of appreciation to all the departments at IGMH who supported this initiative, your collaboration and encouragement played a vital role in bringing this conference to life. I also wish to acknowledge the wider dental community in the Maldives, private dental practitioners, public health and school health officials. Your collaborative effort make the dental services holistic. We are strong together. As we look forward, let us commit to nurturing your talent. I encourage mentors here to guide early career dentists. Let us champion postgraduate training programs in all the fields of dentistry. In conclusion, I extend my sincere gratitude to Her Excellency, Madam Sajida Mohammed, First Lady of the Republic of Maldives, our sponsors, our pioneers, and all individuals whose contributions have shaped this conference. On behalf of the organizing team, I wish to express our deep appreciation to everyone who assisted in the making of this event possible. Thank you all for the participation in the momentous beginning. Let us embark on this journey together with purpose, professionalism, and pride. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you, Dr. Ifa. With this, the inauguration ceremony
International Dental Conference Feshmuge me khasa rasmiyatu me datuge farwaya golegaton rajyeka baba furatama conference ni ton dehas fansavi huge namuga kuriya gendve me conference sharafir ko devafne rais jumhuriya ga amekbalung sajida mohammed adema me geturun me conference feshum me be khasa rasmiyatu ga sehi wazir abdullah nazimma adema me getra male group of hospital ge CEO halim azga getura me daira gama ispe فنواني بير ودافع مي كونفرنس كم مهم بين مكافئ مدني تاتور كفروانو تا dental health كوريرو متكا ميهارو سيهي نظام غميهوري كان كما غولي غتون مشورة كرما ديما ميهوري كي تكنولوجي تكا ديراسا كرما مي دايرا كان كان هردنا كرمتكا مشورة كون كان كما غولي غتون واقف تكون مي كونفرنس كتيرين يبكوريا جندي كونفرنس workshop ادي هما يغتورا panel discussions ولا نوتيكا غكوريا جندا مي كونفرنس كوريا تاني كوريا ميو تين دو هوكي مدتا فاهكول مي كونفرنس का رئيس الجمهورية قام قبل ذلك واقف الجوسواني من خدمته مهم كفاها كورفا فاتهما من خدمته فانساس أهارو فوريجن ديرو كا كوريما كوكا مولي راجع من dental فاروا آم سيخاتو كوريروم كه كما سكتة كه غوتو كا كوري جندهم كه مهم كان كمنا ماني فاها كا كورفا فا هذا ولا نوتيكال كمي كوريا جندا conference كوريا عن تين دوا كوريا دانه مي conference كا एकार keynote speaker बैवर वेगो तो हम राज्य के hospital तक के हम तजुर्बा कार बेफना आदि हमारा जंबेर के तजुर्बा कार बेफलों एबा मी conference का पैरवे अलमें विला नोट का मी गेनेस्टिंग लाइव निमालफ में हाय साम वक्त विलानंग इमा बेफना वरा 5 वेर दो कहीं दे अस्सलाम वालेकुम